Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now we'll look at the headlines. CM orders crime branch probe in Vijaya Pagi murder case. Situation still volatile in Canacona. Canacona remains bandh on Monday. SIT on mining summons 6 accused in illegal mining case. Summons to Digambar Kamath, Arvind Loliankar and others. Speaker Rajendra Arlikar refutes allegations of disproportionate assets case. Says details disclosed to ACB. Demands complaint against Iris Rodriguez. Hasiba Amin's Congress advertisement creates controversy. Amin faces criticism and scam charges. Hasiba challenges to prove allegation. And Kamal Mujahid Prahlad and Lavanya Kunchi produce rousing display in State Boxing Championship. Now the news in detail. Canacona was tensed over Vijaya Pagi's rape and murder. There is no breakthrough yet, but CM has completely defended Canacona police. Parrikar has asked crime branch to take over the case. Meanwhile, furious Canaconans blocked CM's vehicle when he was leaving the Canacona police station. On Monday, NH17 shops, commercial establishments and Saudi market was closed.
Chief Minister Manor Parrikar briefed media at Canacona police station. Locals had earlier blocked his vehicles and had a verbal clash with the CM.
Planned murder. Murder there is a rape involved also. Appears to be act of sort of anger, expression of anger. आता जो मनीस प्लॅन करता ताका सोदून काडपाक थोडो टायम लागता कारण he doesn't leave any clue. He has not left any clue. हांव गेल्लो मुद्दम लोकांक सांगपाक की we will do it where आमचे सिरियसनेस दिसची पडटा कारण दुसऱ्या दिसान सकाळी DIG himself came personally. I had deputed him. They already have picked up few people for preliminary inquiry. I have over telephone transferred the case already to crime branch. And the investigation will be shifted to Margao.
Administration is having a tough time controlling the outburst at Canacona over the rape and murder of Vijaya Pagi. Canaconcars have unitedly hit the streets against the shoddy probe in Vijaya Pagi murder case. Vijaya Pagi was murdered on Friday. Canacona locals' deadline to police to nab the culprits ended on Monday. Saudi market and almost 3/4 of Canacona was shut down as a mark of protest. Highway was blocked on Monday morning, which resulted in massive traffic jam. The situation at Canacona is volatile. Canaconcars are determined to perform final rites on Vijaya's body only after her rapist and murderers are nabbed. Former MLA Vijaya Pagi, Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar and others were present at the scene.
Time लागता या लागता ते आमच्या ता काही ना आता आम्ही फक्त आयची दिसाक निषेध करपा लागून आम्ही जमले आहात आणि व्हायलन्स म्हणतो आयच दिसा जावपाय ना ते मी खरं काणकोणच्या लोकांना सेंटिमेंट्स आडे खेळप न्ही
Canaconcars are not ready to calm down unless culprits are nabbed. CM has ordered crime branch investigations, but deceased Vijaya Pagi's body still awaits final rites. Pratik Parab from Canacona.
Special investigation team has begun probe into illegal mining case. Summons have been issued to former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, former Secretary of Law and officers of Mines Department. Interrogation will begin from Tuesday at the crime branch. Summons were issued on the basis of complaints filed by Sudeep Tamankar. Sources informed that other politicians and officers will get summoned in next few days.
Based on the complaint of Sudeep Tamankar, special investigation team issued summons to former ministers and officers. Former Chief Minister and Mines Minister Digambar Kamath, suspended Director of Mines Department Arvind Loliankar, former Director JB Bingi, Assistant Technician Sham Sawant from Mines Department, former Law Secretary VP Shetye, Smita Chandwani, holding charge as Under Secretary of Law. Interrogation will begin from Tuesday at Crime Branch. Sources from police department informed that other ministers, including politicians and officers, will get summons in next session. In the year 2011, complaint was filed by Sudeep Tamankar alleging that illegal mining was allowed near wildlife sanctuary zone. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Speaker Rajendra Arlikar has refuted allegations of disproportionate assets levelled against him by Advocate Iris Rodriguez in connection with purchase of a plot of land at Porvorim. He says all details have been disclosed to the ACB. Arlikar also demanded that the government should file a complaint against Iris for making false and malicious allegations of corruption against him.
माझ्या बाबतीतले हातूंतले सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसात. स्टेट बँकेचे सँक्शन लेटर आसा. स्टेट बँकेने म्हजे कडेन सायन केल्लो अरेंजमेंट एग्रीमेंट लेटर आसा तें आसा भितर म्हजे कडेन. ज्या मनशा कडल्यान हो हांवें प्लॉट विकत घेतलो त्या मनशा कडल्यान 3 चेक जे पावले 57 लाखाचो 5 लाखाचो आणि 10 लाखाचो हे 3 चेकाचे रिसिट्स म्हजे कडेन आसात. हांवें एंटी करप्शन ब्रँचीक जें कितें सांगिल्लें आसा तें स्पश्ट आसा. तांणी आपली इन्क्वायरी आनी कितें करपाचें आसा तें करुनी. म्हज्या बाबतीन लोकांच्या मनान संभ्रम निर्माण करपाचे आरोप जे केल्ले आसात ताज्या खातीर आयरिश रॉड्रिगीस म्हणून जो कोण आसा ताजेर सरकारान मलेशियस आणि फॉल्स कंप्लेंट केली म्हणून ताजेर एक कंप्लेंट करची, केस फायल करची.
Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has however demanded that the speaker should recuse himself from the forthcoming budget session.
Key speaker's independence is likely to be compromised, and therefore I am going to request him to recuse himself from the proceedings of the House so that we get the impartiality we deserve, especially in this important budget session.
Meanwhile, the NCP asked Speaker to step aside and allow free and fair probe in the plot purchase case.
NCP believes it is high time that the Speaker steps aside and allows a free and fair investigation, as the dignity of the House is at stake. He is to sit there and tell everybody, "Tu boss, tu boss, tu boss." Acha tu maso siding boss.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.